Welcome students with ghastly accident of Kanchenjunga Express which is traveling from Agartala to Kolkata. Again, the necessity and emphasis about preventing rail accidents is back in news. Now, to gain the trust of the people who travel in rail, use that mode of transport, it's very much essential that we improve upon technologies which prevent this collisions or derailing or any kind of rail accidents. It's too early to comment what was the problem, but let's just look into the existing technologies and how we can improve upon it. So the focus would be on anti-collision systems. So among the anti-collision systems, we have Kavach. This Kavach system, even to suggest improvements, we need to understand how it works and what actually it is. Does it mean it automates everything else without a loco pilot? No. It's just an emergency system to prevent accidents. So it's an augmenting mechanism but not a replacement to a loco pilot. So this Kavach system, as we said, it is an anti-collision system. It includes an RFID, radio frequency ID. It's similar to what your FASTag or any remote control which scans it, which detects the unpredictable things. So this RFID is something which detects it, and after detecting, it uses a 4G LTE service. You know, long-term evolution service of 4G, right? The same technology which is used in our 4G mobiles. Not even Vivo LTE, it's just an LTE technology. This LTE technology transmits signals, and this would be used to apply brakes in advance and any kind of things, apply brakes, and this is automated, right? So when it is automated to apply brakes, along with that it would send signals to other parallel tracks which would converge at a particular point, so that they would do something in advance. At least a precautionary measures are used. So this is broadly the technology is all about. It is nothing like there's a question or any kind of robust shields that are used to prevent collision. This is an automated system which would stop trains or apply brakes automatically using this 4G LTE technology. So any improvement that you would expect should be from this. It would be used for any weather events where it is foggy and the loco pilot might not be able to see due to visibility or any signaling issue. Okay. Then the improvements are not exceptional even possible, because you can't expect suddenly within fraction of seconds, if any object comes in a fast moving train, you can't stop it and you can't stop the accidents. The maximum possibility of improvement is to improve by reducing latency. What is this latency? It's not a new term, it is just a delay in signal transmission. If you reduce, instead of 4G, if you can use 5G, that would reduce latency. So this is possible. And improving the accuracy of radio frequency by fine-tuning its sensitivity. So sensitivity of RFID could be improved. Along with that, this braking system needs plugging. There's a term called plugging, which is an electrical brake rather than a mechanical brake. So this electrical brake, as most of the engines are electrified, this plugging is possible. So with these kind of improvements, let's hope that at least the probability of accidents would be reduced, which is already less. 1 in 10,000 is a probability. and you can even reduce it. And with the kind of cost optimization we are in, India would usually go for frugal engineering. It would be definitely a great technology if this Kavach improves even further. So we hope that we can make our rail system much better with these kind of improvements. So with this, I would like to thank everyone for watching this video. With another video on a new day, I'll be back with you. Till then, thank you.